Hi, you want to be a web developer in 2024, but you're confused where to start. I'll be sharing a roadmap with you to begin your journey as a web dev. The first step would be to begin from the basics. So, if you're very new, you should start from HTML. You don't need to know all of it, but you need to know some basics like elements, attributes, and some boilerplate of it. Then you're good to go. Then you can start building out your web pages, try a few things you have learned. Then move on to JavaScript. In JavaScript, you need to learn how to manipulate the DOM, how to fetch data from the HTML tags, and how to take input from the user. After that, you can move on to CSS, and you can learn CSS as you go. It's just needed for styling your web pages so that they look pretty. Once you've spent a couple of weeks learning these concepts, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. The next step would be building out projects. They don't need to be very tough. You can start building out by building out a calculator, or let's say a tic-tac-toe app, or something that you like. It doesn't need to be very polished. You just need to apply the concepts you have learned so far. Now that you've spent a month learning HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, you're ready to move on to the next step. The next step would be picking up some framework like Angular or React and spending some time with it, trying to learn the concepts which come from which are used in those frameworks. And while you're learning these new frameworks, try improving on your old projects. Try adding some complexity to them. Try building out a web store. You don't need to make all the functionality work, but just like adding to cart, login, keeping track of people's data, and so on. After that, you could try making out some AI related projects like motion tracking or reading emotions from one space. Doing this will greatly improve your web development skills. And you need to have some more practice. Building out projects would definitely help you in that. Here are some resources that you should look up while taking on this journey to be a web developer. Thanks for watching.